Hi, integrators. You are amazing. You are doing a good job. Thank you so much for everyone. Today, there is no new lesson. It's just revision. What about we talk about 18.1 and 18.2? Question 1, I will discuss it with you. Find the gradient of the straight line through 0, -5, and 61. If you have 3 points or 4 points, it's enough to find the gradient just 2 points. We need to write the rule, which is the gradient g equals y2 minus y1 out of x2 minus x1. Where is y2? Where is y1? Where is x2? Where is x1? This is x1, y1, the x coordinate, the y coordinate for the first point. The second point, x2, this is y2. Now substitute, equals y2, change in y, change in x, the difference between the y coordinates and the difference between the x coordinates. Be careful about this sign. There is, okay. Now, here y2 is 1 minus from the rule. Now y1 is -5 out. x2 60. Negative sign from the rule. And x1 is 0. Equals negative with negative positive. 1 plus 5, 6 out. 60 minus 0, which is 60. 60 out of 6 out of 60 by 6, 1 by 6, which is 10, which is 1 out of 10, which is 0.1, is positive gradient. You can guess the shape of the line will be increasing like that. Goes up. From left to right, goes up. Now, let's take another example. Find the gradient of the lines with these equations. For A, the gradient, here note or recall, any equation on the form y equals mx plus c, m and c, any numbers, x and y is variables. Now, the number which is next to x is the gradient. It's the gradient. So here, 0.1 times x plus 0.2. So this is the gradient. The gradient is 0.1. For b, the same thing, 0.1x. This is the gradient, so the gradient is 0.1. Are these lines are parallel? Yes. A is parallel to B. A is parallel to B. Hi, parallel. Okay, this is parallel. A symbol of parallel. Why? Because they have the same gradient. Look, 0.1 and 0.1. So any two lines have same gradient, they are parallel. Now, another example, or the last example. These are the equations of 4 lines. Like this question, you need to find the gradient for each line. So the gradient for A is 4. The gradient of B is 3. The gradient of C is -10. Because these numbers are next to the x. Now, the gradient here is 4. Now, 2 parallel lines, it means same gradient. I mean by that, this one and this one. A is parallel, here. A is parallel to D. Negative gradient, negative, just this one, -10. So, C has a negative gradient, so C. This is C, not G, C. C. Okay. Now a line that passes through 0 and 3. 0 and 3. Here, 0 is the x coordinate and the 3 y coordinate. I mean by that, which line of these lines, when you substitute x, y will be 3. The first one, instead of x, 0, -5, it's not working. 3 times 0, 0, -1, I need 3. This one, -10 times 0, 0 plus 3, yeah, C is working. C is working. For D, 4 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1, it's not working. Thank you for listening and have a good day. There is no homework today.